Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruth and I do all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. And in today's video, I bring goodies for fellow creators like me, or if you're a new creator and you are trying to get into the YouTube space and you need content ideas. Yes, you need content ideas for your YouTube channel. Then I have brought about 120 YouTube video ideas. Yes, we know that one of the many ways to get rid of creators block is to have ideas ahead, like ideas weeks ahead of you. It is very advisable to have ideas ahead so as not to get stuck. Yeah, so before I even started my YouTube channel, I had these ideas down and it has helped me to get rid of creators block. I can always go into my book of content and look for content ideas to put out. So I have about 120 video ideas like I stated earlier, and I'm going to quickly go over them and I'm going to briefly discuss on some if there is need. Yes, now these ideas are okay for your lifestyle content. So if you're a lifestyle content creator, these ideas is generally okay. And any other niche you are, if I say anyone that can relate to your niche, then you can as well put it down. So without further ado, let's quickly go right into the video. So the first one is story time. Yes, story time. Share something interesting that happened in your life. People would want to know what happened in your life. People are generally curious. People generally want to know what's going on in somebody's life or what have happened previously in your life. If it's very interesting, people would watch it. Then we have realistic morning or nighttime routine. Yes, it can be your skincare routine. It can be your anything in just a nighttime routine or a morning time routine. We also have everyday vlog. So if you're a vlogger, this one can also help. Just do like an everyday vlog. We also have get ready with me. Yes, get ready with me to go to the gym. Get ready with me to go to the vet, taking my dog to the vet. Get ready with me to go to a party. Get ready with me to attend my birthday party, to prom and all that. S stuff review. Yes, you can also make S stuff review. How to videos. I feel like this how to video is also very broad. No matter your niche, you can do how to videos, how to do this, how to make crochet, how to make sandwich, how to anything, how to groom your pets. You understand? Yes. So advice video. You can also advise people. You can relate it to something you've gone through and then advise people are going through a lot and anybody can relate to. You don't know who can relate to what you were going through or what you've gone through. Yes, we also have mukbang video. People like to watch people eat. Yes, mukbang videos. We have clothing haul. That's a fashion try on haul, Shein haul, Fashion Over haul. What's on my phone? Yes, you can do a what's on my phone, your favorite app. People want to know the apps you are using. Yes, what apps do you use for editing? What apps do you use for social, like what's on my iPhone? Makeup tutorial. Yes, makeup tutorial. You can also do my boyfriend or my girlfriend or my parents rate my outfit. Yes, question and answer. You can put out a question tag on your social media, ask your followers to ask you a question, and then you answer them for a YouTube video. Music playlist video. You can do like a sad playlist video, in my mood playlist video, happy playlist video, holiday playlist video, summer, reaction video. Reacting to BTS songs, reacting to red carpet pictures and all that. Followers control your life for a day. Ask your followers to tell you what to do in a day. Ask them to control your life for a day, literally. Life hacks or tips videos. Shop with me, shop with me. Hygiene routine, feminine hygiene routine. I think those kind of videos even do numbers. People want to know what you use for your feminine hygiene. Yes, makeover video. That's transforming a person into me. You can transform your mom into you, your sister, even your boyfriend into you. Yes, doing my mom's makeup or my BF makeup or my sibling makeup. It's quite different from transforming a person into you. This one you're just doing the person's makeup, but transforming somebody into you is you try to do the person's makeup the way you would do the makeup for yourself. Yes. Then challenge videos, 24 hours challenge, 24 hours no soft drink, 24 hours no food, 24 hours no whatever it is. Especially if it's something you always do every day, you can try to do a challenge to not do that thing for 24 hours. Yes. Product review video, buy something and review. Product comparison video, yes, you compare two products that is in the same kind of line. Yes, you can compare two kind of sunscreens, compare two foundations, different brands, yes, two concealers. Share your best and your worst purchases. Reviewing a clothing store or reviewing a clothing or a shoe. Best handbag under X dollars. List designers bag that hold their value. Yes, designers bag that hold their value. Um, Review identical products with different price range. Yes, identical products with different price range. Trying TikTok fashion act. Get the look. That's dressing like a celebrity or a character. You can dress like your favorite celebrity. You can try to dress like Kim Kardashian. You can try to dress like Kylie Jenner for a day. Anybody. What's in my purse? What's in my purse video? Be creating Pinterest photos. Yes, be creating Pinterest photos. Share your collection, your jewelry collection. If you're the type of person that love perfumes and you have a collection of perfume, share your collection, share your shoes, share your handbag. People that also like to have that kind of collection will be interested to watch. Yes, Amazon must haves. You can go to TikTok for inspiration. Just go to TikTok, type in Amazon must haves, and get inspiration from TikTok. How I edit my Instagram pictures or videos. Now, if you are very good at editing pictures or videos, you can do it. How I edit my Instagram picture or videos. Going to the worst reviewed makeup artist in my city. Yes, going to the worst reviewed melanin makeup transformation. You can decide to get a makeover like from a professional makeup artist. You can decide to go and get a makeover. Then reading your assumptions about me. Drop a tag, ask people to tell you what they think about you, then read their assumptions and react to it. Yes. Um Responding to your comments, things to know before going to blah blah blah, things to know before doing this. Yes. Solo trip vlog, you can take a trip, go alone and then vlog it. Share ancestry DNA result. This one is actually really interesting. Yes, share your ancestry DNA results. Take a lie detector test. How I grew my YouTube channel. Eating only dash for 24 hours. I think I've mentioned that. Yes. Share your favorite Netflix series. Do a giveaway. Do a book review. Yes, do a book review. I, for one, am very interested in book reviews. I do check book reviews online. How I run a business or opening my business. People will literally want to know how to run small businesses, how you started, how it's going. Yes, just tell people about it. Answering or asking questions. You are too afraid to ask. You can ask your mom questions. You think other people are afraid to ask their mom, ask your boyfriend questions. Other girlfriends are afraid to ask their boyfriends. Yes, telling my subscribers, testing my subscribers' favorite, whatever it might be. It might be testing their favorite meal, testing their favorite drink or makeup products, whatever. Visit a popular museum, could be a vlog. Then clean my makeup bag or my makeup desk. Share your makeup collection. Attempt to do something for the first time. You can attempt to swim for the first time with supervision. There are other things you can attempt to do for the first time. Attempt to cook a certain food for the first time. Trying out new products. Try and make sure it is trending products. Yes. Favorite skincare product. Recreate a celebrity makeup look. Natural makeup tutorial or like a no makeup look. Full face using just one brand. Now this one is basically for if you are into makeup. Yeah, this for if you're into makeup. Full face using one brand. Eyeshadow tutorial or eyeliner tutorial. Eyeshadow palette review. Mom does my voiceover. Organizing my makeup space. Favorite makeup products. cut crease tutorial, spin the wheel makeup challenge, highlight or contour tutorial, foundation tutorial, 10, 20, 30 minutes makeup challenge, lazy day makeup routine, get to know me, yes, drugstore versus high-end makeup, makeup do's and don'ts, how to apply your eyelashes, go to everyday makeup look, favorite red or nude lipstick. Now yes, people like to go, some people that want to know your favorite red lipsticks to use, favorite nude lipstick, because this lipstick kind of stand out, so they want to like know the best kind of red or nude lipsticks to use. 2023 makeup trends, you do your research. Numbers pick my eyeshadow challenge. So for this numbers pick my eyeshadow challenge, I have a video that I actually did something like that. You get a makeup palette, you number it, get a random number generator, and then the number generator will generate a number that will determine the colors you use for your makeup, for your eyeshadow, for your lipstick. Yes, life updates, what has happened, what has been happening in your life so far, wish list idea, what I got for X, what I got for my birthday, what I got for Christmas, what I got for prom, pretending to be in a Vogue beauty video, getting my tattoo or piercing. People are really interested. Getting my tattoo or piercing, rating Met Gala outfits. That's like once a year or something. Dyeing my hair challenge. Yes, wig install for beginners. Being a mom for 24 hours. That you can just, probably any of your sister or your auntie that has a child, you can just decide to go over or bring the child over and take care of the child for one full day alone. Yes, being a mom for 24 hours, trying foreign snacks, answering questions I've been avoiding. I think I've mentioned that. Truth or dare, never have I ever, would you rather, cook with me, packaging orders. It also has to do with small business kind of video, bomb to body transformation, what I ordered versus what I got, nail or hair video, Amazon must have. I've mentioned this. You can get inspiration from TikTok. What I eat in a day, yeah, what I eat in a day. Public interview, yes, you can make videos on doing public interviews, asking people questions. This one can also be related to your niche, depending on what you do. You can ask people questions in a public interview. Reacting to my old pictures or my old videos, yes, facts about me, getting my first Brazilian wax, people want to know. Testing viral product, lyric prank, you can do a lyric prank on your best friend, anybody. Try not to laugh, watch a funny video and try not to laugh. You can do it with a friend. Yes, inexpensive glow up at home. Yes, you can make a video talking about like how you do your monthly facials at home. Yes, how you do your pedicure at home, and you just a glow up at home. Taking myself on a date, trying to follow a productive routine either from TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Yes. So that is all the plenty video ideas that I have for you. So guys, if you have all these ideas, video ideas, trust me, there is little to know where you're going to have creators block, because you can always go back into your content book and check. Yes, check for videos. See, I have a lot of content that I haven't even done. So tell me, how am I going to get creators work? Well, it can happen, sure. Yes, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more content, lifestyle, skincare kind of content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.